Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. Today, we are going to start Module 1 of Chapter number 3 of History, that is, On the Trail of the Earliest People. In this module, you will learn about Paleolithic Age, Life in Stone Age, how do we know about people, tools of Stone Age. Dear students, man presence in India has been found from the very ancient times. Millions of years ago, man was only a hunter and a food gatherer. It took lakhs of years for him to become the producer of food. The early history of man is marked by different stages. We may divide the prehistoric times into 4 stages. First, Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. Second, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. Third, Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. Fourth, Chalcolithic Age or Bronze Age. Let's further proceed with Paleolithic Age. The word Paleolithic is derived from the Greek words paleo, which means old, and means stones. It means old stone age. This was the age when man used stone tools, rough and unfinished. The old stone age began in India about 5 lakh years. It lasted up to around 10,000 BC. During the Paleolithic age, man was a nomad who moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. He was called a food gatherer or a hunter-gatherer. Now the question is, why did the food gatherers or hunter-gatherers move from one place to another? First, once the food supply of plant and animals resources were exhausted, the food gatherers would move to different areas. Second, man who hunted animals would follow movements of animals because big animals would go in search of smaller animals and plants eating animals would look for greener pastures. Third, people would move in search of different types of seasonal fruits and plants. Fourth, all living beings, be it humans, animals or plants, need water to survive. People living on the banks of seasonal rivers would have to go in search of water once it was exhausted. Now, let's move with life in the Stone Age. First, cave dwellings. Man in the Old Stone Age lived in natural caves. The caves provided protection from cold weather and wild animals. Second, food. Man did not know how to grow fruits and grains. He lived on animals, fishes and fruits. The meat or other food that man ate was raw and uncooked. Then third, uses of fire. Fire had used many ways. Man used fire in order to keep himself warm or to cook meat or nuts. He also made enough fire to scare off wild animals. Now, how do we know about the people? The archaeological evidence suggests that the hunter-gatherers used tools made up of stone, woods and bone. Perhaps the stone tools have survived the best. The Paleolithic people were the first to make stone implements. They began to make crude, unpolished stone tools. Most of them were made up of rock called flint. Large pieces of stones were shaped into hammers, scrapers and axe heads. Now, let's move tools of Stone Age. Stone tools of this age have been found in the valley of the river Son and the upper Jhelum river area. They have been found at various places in the southern India also. All the tools are made from quartz and a hard rock. The tools have the forms of knives, choppers, axe heads and digging instruments. The tools of the stones used by early man in Old Stone Age were crude, rough and unpolished. The tools were of two kinds, core tools and flake implements. Dear students, we will discuss more about the tools in our next module. That's all for today. Thank you and have a